An ordinary toothbrush can unlock surprising secrets hidden within your home. This humble cleaning tool possesses capabilities far beyond just sparkling white teeth. Many everyday items are repurposed for ingenious solutions when you know where to look. Think about the millions of old toothbrushes discarded annually. They don't have to become waste. Instead of tossing them, imagine giving these bristle-filled wonders a second life. This allows for a sustainable approach to common household challenges and repairs. Viewers often seek simple, cost-effective ways to tackle minor annoyances around the house. We'll explore how a simple toothbrush becomes an indispensable tool for these fixes. Let's uncover the hidden potential lurking in your bathroom cabinet right now. Its compact size and flexible bristles make it perfect for reaching tight spots. You can use a toothbrush to clean intricate parts of electronics without causing damage.
Imagine gently dislodging dust from computer keyboards or delicate vents in your car. The bristles are soft enough not to scratch most surfaces, yet firm enough for scrubbing.
Consider cleaning jewelry with a specialized solution and an old toothbrush for meticulous shine. This tool is also surprisingly effective for grout lines in your kitchen or bathroom tiles. But that's not the strangest part about its versatile applications. Think about applying glue or lubricants precisely where needed in small mechanical devices. The handle provides a steady grip for controlled application. Unlike a larger brush, you could repair a loose button on a favorite shirt by carefully applying fabric glue. This method ensures the glue goes exactly where it needs to without mess. And then something unexpected happened with its use in the garden. Gardeners sometimes use old toothbrushes to gently clean delicate seedlings or remove small pests. The soft bristles help remove aphids or mealybugs without harming the tender young plants. It's like having a tiny, precise gardening tool for your most precious greenery. Even art and craft enthusiasts find unique uses for these bristle-tipped wonders. Wait until you hear what comes next in the world of DIY. Artists use them to create splattered paint effects on canvases for abstract designs. Simply dip the bristles in paint and flick them with your finger for a textured look. This technique adds a unique dimension to paintings and mixed media projects. Furthermore, consider its role in automotive detailing and maintenance tasks. You can clean intricate emblems on your car or get into the tiny gaps of wheel rims. Applying car wax to small areas becomes much simpler and more controlled. This level of detail can make a significant difference in your car's overall appearance. It's truly remarkable how such a simple object can perform so many diverse functions. The impact of these DIY solutions extends beyond mere convenience and cost savings. Repurposing items like old toothbrushes promotes a more sustainable lifestyle for everyone. It reduces waste going into landfills and conserves resources used in manufacturing new tools. Viewers can feel a sense of accomplishment by fixing things themselves. This empowerment fosters a greater appreciation for resourcefulness and creativity. It demonstrates that effective solutions often exist within items we already own. The satisfaction of a successful repair or a beautifully cleaned item is immense. This simple act of repurposing can inspire a domino effect of mindful consumption. Ultimately, the humble toothbrush proves its worth in countless unexpected ways. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of looking at ordinary objects differently. Embracing these simple fixes makes our lives easier and our planet healthier. So next time you finish with a toothbrush, remember its potential for your home. If you found these DIY toothbrush hacks fascinating, subscribe for more incredible tips like this. What's the most surprising use you've found for an old toothbrush? Let us know below. Your engagement helps us create more helpful and inspiring content for you. We love hearing your creative solutions and unique repair stories. Keep an eye out for more clever ways to utilize everyday items effectively. By subscribing, you join a community that values resourcefulness and smart living. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Your support directly fuels our ability to uncover and share these amazing ideas. Let's continue this journey of discovery together, one simple fix at a time. We aim to make home maintenance accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Share this video with friends who might appreciate these clever household solutions. Your subscription ensures you won't miss out on future practical advice and inspiration. It's amazing what you can achieve with a little creativity and the right tool. These simple repairs save money and reduce your environmental footprint significantly. Imagine the collective impact if everyone embraced these resourceful practices. The possibilities are truly endless when you think outside the box.
So, keep those old toothbrushes handy, they're more useful than you ever imagined.
Join us as we explore more ingenious ways to simplify your life. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts and practical DIY home fixes. And tell us your favorite hack in the comments section right now. If you found these DIY toothbrush hacks fascinating, subscribe for more incredible tips like this, and let us know your favorite hack in the comments below.